Is it cheaper to do it yourself with Everydoor Direct Mail? Let's talk pricing. Everydoor Direct Mail Retail is a USPS service that offers a simple, cost-effective way for small businesses to reach every household within specific postal routes. The way small businesses can save a little money with EDDM Retail as opposed to EDDM All-Inclusive is through doing some of the steps of the EDDM process themselves, like completing all required bundling and paperwork and dropping off the mail pieces at the post office themselves. Now, let's get into the exact pricing of setting up an Everydoor Direct Mail Retail campaign. The overall pricing of an EDDM retail campaign will depend on a variety of factors, such as postcard size, quantity, and cost of postage. To start, getting an EDDM postcard printed typically will cost anywhere around from 10 to 30 cents, depending on the size and quantity. The service you are using to print your postcard also matters. As you can see, as you go up in quantity, the price per card gets smaller. Don't forget, you'll also need to add in the price of postage, which today is about 20 cents per postcard. Finally, you'll need to account for the price of shipping costs, which can be anywhere from $20 to $100, again, depending on your quantity of postcards. Overall, with Everydoor Direct Mail Retail, we estimate you're looking at around 40 to 50 cents per delivered postcard, which can be a great deal considering direct mail's high ROI. Interested in finding out the exact price of your Everydoor Direct Mail Retail campaign? Click the link below to find out and learn how you can save more with Taradel.